Morning, everybody. How are you? If you are in the mood to send me a little tip, I would appreciate it. If you don't, that's okay. I'm using that money, I'm saving that money, and I'm trying to work on a coloring book. It's not going to happen this year. I'm just telling you now, I will save the money. I would 100% save the money. I'm not using it for anything, but it's not going to happen this year. Um, Maybe next year when I can retire. This year isn't going to be it. Anyway, just want to let you know that's that. It's available. I'm going to work on these. Are all the cards I have left out of Alina's second deck called. Well, it doesn't have a name. It's her second deck. We already went through her first deck. So let's do that one for today. Whatever that turns out to be. Do we feel like doing a mandala? Because that's what she always does. We don't know. It's called O's. It's a single continuous line pattern. So where's my little pointy thing? Start here. So we're going to start here. We're going to go this way. So we're going to go this way and then this way. No, we're going to go this way. Okay, so we're going to start here. We're going to go this way, then this way, then this way, then this way. Okay, so start and make a swirl and make it smaller and smaller and smaller, which is not the same as a just a spiral, because it hits the edges. We will have to practice that. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. May or may not be something I can do easily. I'm feeling like a dark color. Whoop! Where to go? On my lap. Let's do a dark blue. And let's do it with a bright pink jelly roll. And we're just gonna go for it. Around, and then around again, and then around like this, and then around like this, like that. Something like that. And I'm just going to fill this whole page with spirally shapes. I like how she did them coming outward from the center of that. So let's just do that. Some are going one way, some are going another way. It's just how my pen is deciding to do its thing. That's working. That one doesn't look quite right. That's better. Something like that. I'm good with that. Simple spirals. Not much to them. And mine are not even close to being similar. Hers are, well, I guess hers are not that similar. There's quite the difference in hers. Okay, I want more here. That one's not quite right. The spiral part needs to be more off centers. Like that. That's better. Okay. That. Anything else? Am I full enough? I think I'm full enough. I think I want to add more in here though. And now I could color in or fill in or something, but I don't think I'm going to. I think I'm going to leave them just like that. I like them. Just like that. I feel like that's upside down. Okay. Just called O's. That was an easy one. That was an easy and quick one, which is fine. I can make do with an easy and quick one because I got things to do this afternoon. You guys have a great day. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place one person at a time. Does it feel like it needs something? It almost feels like it needs some contrast, but it looks better in person than it does up on the screen. Let me see if I turn my light down, if my camera will make it look more like what I see in person. That's better. That's more like what I see in person. Still a little off, but better. My lights make it a little bit contrasty. So this one's going to be called O's for August 20th. We have one more for Friday, and then I'm going to be done for the day. You guys have a blessed day. Go out and do something nice for someone today. I have a thought in my head of what I want to work on for the next video. We'll see if it goes to fruition, but that's what I want to work on. And I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.